Hello children, very pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome to online classes of Standard 3rd, Subject English. Okay, now yesterday we completed the chapter number 12 revision. Okay, so now our course is almost over only. So now we'll start with our revision. Okay. So we completed all these activities. This activity 10 you have to write it by yourself. And you all have to complete your fair notebooks. Okay. Be ready with your notebooks when you are coming here for submitting a paper and give your notebook at that time only. Okay, complete it full notebook. I want all these things, which activity I have given to you as a homework, that also, and which I have sent as a PDF. Both these things you have to give. Activity 8 you did not read to write. Activity 9 also we discussed. Activity 10 you just write by yourself. Now the lastly, that is evaluation activity. Evaluation activity means this is an activity with all the chapters covering in our second semester. So here we have to start with evaluation activity. Okay, activity starting with activity number 7. Means here 7 given, it is like activity chapter number 7 is Robinson Crusoe, like that. So say whether the following statement are true or false. Robinson Crusoe was a sailor. So we studied in that chapter that he was a sailor. So here it will come true. True. He met a stranger on the island. No, he does not met a stranger on the island. These all things came in your unit test also, or also we discussed more than 2-3 times. Then also you have to read it. So he met a stranger on the island. No, he did not met stranger. He feel like that there was there, but it was not met a stranger. So here it will come false. He built a home for himself. No. Crusoe noticed the footprint of a large animal. He noticed that it was of a large animal. Now third one is Crusoe compared the size of his footprint with its footprint. Yes, so that is 2 because he compared the size of his foot with his footprint. He put his footprint there and he was comparing that it is my only or someone's others. Like that he was comparing. So this just you have to write in your textbook, okay, from the PDF which I have given to you. So write in the textbook this true or false. Okay, then and one time you also write it in your fair notebooks, because now only revision starting, so we are giving you as a handwork. Okay, you have to do written work only because no any activity is remaining, no any chapter is remaining. So just we daily have to do the revision only. And the activity 8 answer the following question that we will discuss in next lecture. Okay. Thank you children. Till it is the activity number 12. So our second semester course gets over. And now just complete it your fair book and provide it to your class, hand it to your class teacher. Thank you children. Have a nice day.